Hi guys, today we're going to do another unboxing, this time of the Audioengine A1 premium wireless speakers. So here's what's on the left side. Audioengine A1. Okay, I'm not sure why they say it's wireless, but it's actually wireless in the sense that you can actually use it for Bluetooth. So yeah, okay, so let's open it up. Right, so here, pretty straightforward. So here you have the speaker wires, the 3.5 mm jack cord wires, and then you have the power cord here. Okay, so the nice thing about this one is that it doesn't have a power brick, unlike the Audioengine A2 Plus, which I used to have. I sold that, and because I didn't see any noticeable loss in quality, and you have here RCA jacks. So 3.5 mm to RCA wire cable. Okay, so here we remove the styrofoam, and here we have the speakers themselves. Okay, let me just take a look at what else is inside. Here you have the manual, and I guess a warranty card, and that's about it. Now let's take a look at the actual speakers themselves. I wish I brought my cutter here. Okay, let's open this up. So, right, so they're really nice looking speakers. I can see that the size of the woofer here is the same as the Audioengine A2 Plus. Here at the back, I guess you have here the, I don't know what you call this, but basically they hold the speaker wires, the volume knob. Here you have the Bluetooth, and there's even a subwoofer output, and of course for the power, right? And let's take a look at the speaker. Okay. And this one's gonna be pretty much simple at the back. So just for the speaker wires, and that's it. Unlike the Audioengine A2 Plus, the Audioengine A2 Plus has binding posts for the speaker wires, which were really look premium. But this one, if you're not gonna look at the back, I guess what's important is the audio quality, right? So yeah, so that's about it for this simple unboxing of the Audioengine A1 Bluetooth. There's another version of this, by the way, which has Wi-Fi, and this one that I have is just the Bluetooth version. And yeah, that's about it. Thank you for watching this unboxing video. For more unboxings and reviews, please don't forget to subscribe. Okay, thank you. Bye.